Script for workflow video. Step 1. Create an account for your organization on eelection.net. Start by creating an account for your organization based on the plan that best suits your needs. Step 2. Manage permissions with sub-accounts. The main account holder can create sub-accounts for the election committee and assign different permissions to ensure secure and organized management. Step 3. Set up the election period. Define the election period and choose the type of verification required for voters, ensuring a smooth and secure voting process. Step 4. Add candidates to the election input or upload the list of candidates for the selected election period, including their names and details. Step 5. Register voters. Add or upload the voter information to the system, making them eligible to participate in the voting process. Step 6. Open and close voting. Once the election period is ready, open it for voting. Close the voting process when the election period ends. Step 7. Share voting instructions. Send voting instructions to eligible voters via SMS, email, or any other preferred communication method. Step 8. Voter participation. Voters can securely cast their votes using their credentials until the election period concludes. Step 9. View results. After the voting period ends, the admin can access and view the voting results instantly. Step 10. Access detailed reports. Generate detailed reports of the entire election process, providing valuable insights and complete transparency.